Yo AutoAce fam, the Honda NAVI is one of the cheapest automatic scooters you can buy in the Philippines. And for 2026, it's still a top pick for budget-minded riders. But the real question is, worth it pa ba? Today, we're doing a full 2026 review to check the NAVI's performance, comfort, features, and daily usability. Let's go! The Honda NAVI stays unbeatable in price, 62,900. Yes, still one of the most affordable brand new Honda motorcycles you can buy in 2026. Perfect for students, beginners, and riders who want a cheap daily scooter. Engine and performance. The NAVI keeps its tried and tested 109cc air-cooled engine. 7.9 HP, 8.9 Nm torque, CVT automatic, carbureted, not FI, lightweight at just 101 kilograms. On the road, quick enough for city riding, super nimble, easy to maneuver, great for traffic, errands, and short trips. But be realistic, not built for expressways, not ideal for long provincial rides. This is a city specialist scooter. Real-world consumption, 50 to 60 kilometers per liter. With today's fuel prices, this is one of the best reasons to buy a NAVI. Cute, quirky, lightweight. The NAVI's mini bike charm still stands out. Playful, youthful styling. Compact size. Big gearbox compartment. Unique scooter motorcycle hybrid look. Perfect for riders who want something simple, fun, and easy to park anywhere. No fancy tech here, just the essentials. Analog gauges, huge 14-liter side storage box, very low seat height, 765 mm. Strong Honda parts availability. No ABS, no digital screen, no fancy connectivity, but at this price, still sulit. The NAVI is designed for short rides on urban streets. Good, very light, easy to ride even for beginners, low seat, confidence for short riders. Not so good, small wheels, not ideal for rough provincial roads. Stock seat gets tiring after long rides. For daily city use, panalo. For long rides, not recommended. Honda's durability plus cheap parts. Very low maintenance costs. Oil change, cheap. Parts, everywhere. Repairs, simple. Carb tuning, easy, affordable. The NAVI might be low cost, but it's reliable as long as you follow regular maintenance. Pros: cheapest automatic Honda, super fuel efficient, beginner friendly, easy to maintain, lightweight and fun, big side storage, perfect for city use. Cons: carbureted, not FI, small wheels, not for long rides, very basic features. Worth buying? Yes, if you need a cheap, reliable fun city scooter. the Honda NAVI remains one of the best budget choices for school, work, errands, and daily commuting inside the city. But if you want more power, FI engine, bigger wheels, better comfort, then consider moving up to the Beat, Dio, or Click 125. For its price, the NAVI still dominates the entry-level scooter category in 2026. AutoAce fam, is the Honda NAVI enough for your daily ride? Or would you upgrade to a bigger scooter? Comment your answer below. If you enjoyed this 2026 review, smash like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more PH Moto reviews. Ride safe, ride smart. Thanks for watching.